No, what is it? Why are you crying?
No.
Are you hungry?
No! 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 No!
It's okay.
No!
It's okay.
No, 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 no! No! No!
It's okay, man.
No! No, 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 no!
It's okay.
No! No!
It's okay.
No!
Everything will be
No!
alright.
No! No!
It's okay.
No!
It's okay.
No!
It's okay. It's okay.
No!
It's okay.
No!
God will see you through.
No!
You know?
No!
It's okay.
Brother, I had wanted to discuss this with you last night, but I felt you'd be so tired. Why would she give you such advice? She has 4 brothers. She can tell any of them to die. I don't care. Not my only brother. Brother, listen to me. Life does not start and end at the park. If it involves you losing your life, please leave it for Okaka. Please, I beg you.
Ifeoma.
Brother.
Ifeoma.
Brother.
I've heard you. But you cannot tell me to leave my livelihood for another man. I see what Nkiri is saying, and there is nothing wrong with what she has said. Maybe she got emotional and didn't put it the right way. But what she's saying is simple. You have to take what belongs to you. Do you understand? You have to grab what belongs to you, not what belongs to another person. What belongs to you, either by hook or by crook. That pit belongs to me. And I'm not going to give Okaka my livelihood. If it means me putting my life on the line, so be it. Okaka will not take my pit. It will not happen. Understand it.
Brother, we have lands and they all belong to you. You can sell them and use the money to start up something. Like I said before, life does not start and end at the park. This same park we're talking about, brother, I don't even know how much you're making from it. You keep sharing all the money to the boys and you come back home with nothing. Brother, listen. Please, it's not worth it. Leave that park for Okaka. Please, I'm begging you. You're all I have. Please, no father, no mother. If anything happens to you, I don't know what I would do. Leave that park for Okaka, please. But I use your tongue to count your teeth.
Hey! Obiora, you stabbed me with a bottle. You used this weapon on me. I was walking on my own. You started follow me from the back so you can stab me.
Okaka.
Because if you come to face, you know what I will do.
Okaka, don't do. Okaka, don't do.
Oh! I have been waiting for today to deal with you. And I think Okaka.
No, no, blame me that. Una go collect. Man,
you want collect, Abi?
We go ship our bed from the
collect, Abi?
Even you. Don't worry. Listen. Oh.
Why did you bring up?
Not you. Even you.
More. Listen. Yeah. Okaka, let's go. Okaka, let's go.
No worry, we go come back. We go come back for now. No need now. We go come back for now.
I will do it this time. I will do it this time. Your own is gone.
Don't worry.
Your own is gone.
Master, you see the vibration.
This is just a Eddie. This is just
Eddie. Okaka, let's go.
Go those cows.
Go those cows.
You fight.
Let's go.
Come fight. My wife. We are coming. You understand it? Two bullets. Two bullets.
I swear to God. You go hear him.
Get out. You
You cannot do anything. Go and call those cows. We'll fight them.
By the time I put it down.
He's not in the park collecting the levy. And you can't do anything. If you have mind, go and fight him. If you have mind, go and fight him. Nonsense. Okaka everywhere. Please, Okaka. Ikari jipotula maputi apola anya. Onye kabo.
Eddie.
Onye kabo, who are you?
Guys, no now. You guys went too far. Guys, we must use our brain for this job. Obiora, you went too far by using a bottle on Okaka. Okaka is like a brother to us. Forget say we dey street and he's behaving like this.
No, Bobby, no, they cap nonsense. No, they cap nonsense. See, make I tell you something, See, what you will do, Okaka, one night, deserve him, also.
Bam. Guy, when I go too far, no matter what, you guys shouldn't have used the bottle on him, Obiora, Okaka is one of us, Forget say we dey street and in the shouts they do gra, but you guys went too far, They might even be after us.
Yes, one day, hold it there. See, forget all this you're preaching, one day. If we lose God, one day, these people they go collect this meat from us, one day. See, if Okaka wants one day, he go collect water. Guy,
they can't do anything. Forget that thing. They don't feel do anything. I'm not personally in support of this fighting and bloodshed.
Okay, shut up.
They've been promising the chairman that they'll be remitting more money than us. And the chairman has always ignored them. This pit belongs to us. You never reach like this now. No, don't care.
That's enough, guys. I did what I did for a reason. I know exactly what I was doing. Okaka has beaten more than he can chew.
I swear.
I
swear.
Okaka megali aro again. Okaka megali aro again. What I'm going to do to him, you will not see it coming.
Okay.
Welcome. While we are here taking care of business, you are at that end taking care of business. How much did you make?
Okaka everywhere. Who is even Okaka? Onyeka Okaka now. Alpha Bobby, search yourself very well.
Nah, happy good mark.
Search yourself very well. I hope another one don't there.
Eddie,
that one there.
Rest.
Wanna go too far?
Let's go.
Go there, cap nonsense like.
How are you?
Thank you, Mama.
I'm fine,
No.
Why alone? I was unable to come for so long.
So bad.
Please.
So bad. At least you are here now.
Yes.
You are welcome.
How is my daughter?
She's fine. Come and see her. Let's follow here.
Okay.
Hey,
how are you people?
Look at us. We are fine.
We are trying. How is she?
As you can see, she's not getting any better. Some people say that it is Obanje's spirit that is disturbing her. But I keep wondering how Obanje will make a young girl like this to go mad. Did she offend them? Every effort I have made to bring this thing under control proved abortive.
No wonder. I was telling the father when he was alive that I am seeing some traces of lunatism in her. But he couldn't do anything.
But the father didn't mention anything like this to me.
Oh, where are they?
And I myself, I have been so close to my grandchild from birth. I did not trace any sign of insanity in her. Upon my granddaughter, not at all. Cha-cha-cha-re. Okay, why this thing started immediately after the death of her father? And in her final year, the Obonje spirit did not do anything. It remained silent until after the death of the father. In her final year, a strike is here. Hi, I got a meow.
How will a strike? I would have suggested we take her to another good hospital in the city. A better one. But the problem is, who will pay the bills? Who will take good care of her there? I'm a busy woman. An Ejike is in school. You're of age. A man won't know these things. That is the problem.
Biko, there's something I want to ask.
Please do.
Does it mean her father did not keep anything for the children? Because I have been suffering to take care of her. And I don't know where the next meal will come from. He
did not. He did not at all. I am suffering, honestly. I have tried to find out if there's any hidden treasure somewhere. All to no avail. I haven't seen any. And you know the children are there. I have to pay their bills. And other bills. Order up one easy. Ibu ajadu adore easy. Honestly. It is not easy to be a widow. Or anything. I'm suffering.
I understand. But you are the stepmother. You should try and make sure she's been feeding. It's your duty. It's your duty to take care of her. Alongside with your children.
I know. I know. That's why I brought some things for her. And before I go, I will make sure I give you something. Don't forget that this girl grew up under my tutelage. I can't forget her. She's my first child. Though not biological, but she's so dear to me.
This whole thing is too heavy on me. I don't even know if I will survive it.
Hey, Nne, please don't say this. You will survive it. You will. I know that God will make you to survive. In fact, both of you will survive it. Yes. When did you? Oh? Kaima. Nnem, how are you? Has the thing affected her brain?
Is it not a brain problem from start? It is a mental problem.
It's your own brain that it has affected. It is your brain it will affect. It has affected your own brain. You will not go to heaven with me. You will not go to heaven with me. It is only me, Grandma. No. Grandma will not go to heaven with me. She will follow Noah's ark, and then the ark will enter water, and water will carry the ark and meet Jonah, and then they will enter the fish belly with the ark and then go. It is only me and the Bishop of Canterbury in Jerusalem that will enter aeroplane and fly to heaven. But you will stay here and fire will burn you. Fire will burn you. Fire will burn you. It will burn you. You will not be satisfied. Fire will burn
What Kadi melancholy Lugo. Where is she going?
Allow her to be. Just save your breath. Sometimes it's like this.
Hey.
I just wish that someone will take her to the city so that I can rest. At this my age, I shouldn't be suffering like this, passing through this stress.
Thank God she's here in the village, Onne. Thank God. Because from what I am seeing now, if we ever try to take this girl to any psychiatric hospital, hey! They will be flogging her every day. In fact, if you see her, you will not like her skin. Those people, they will be using electric shock on her. I am telling you.
What is it? What's the problem?
I am so happy.
Ogene, what is it?
Odobu, Nukuwake.
What is going on?
Hey!
Nkiru Ogene.
Why are you pretending? You think I've not heard?
What?
The news is everywhere.
What news?
What you did to Kaka. How?
What?
Agunia.
What is happening?
You have proven to him that you are a man. I heard how you beat him, how you disfigured his head, and he has been hospitalized. And I heard that from the way things are going, he might not come out alive because he is losing a lot of blood. Hey!
Are you serious?
I am very serious. Is that your favorite?
Ogene is a problem. What is it now? What's going on?
As we speak, Okaka is dying. Okaka is dying. They said he lost so much blood.
Hey. Are you sure we shouldn't go to the hospital and see him? Let's go and see him now.
And see who?
Okaka?
Who do you want to see? Someone who wants to kill you. Someone who wants to remove food from your mouth. Someone who wants to destroy a table where your food is being served. Where do you want to see him? Huh? Listen, that place he is the best place he should be. If he dies, good for you. But if he survives, get ready.
Obiora, who is this babe? She's making a lot of sense here. But let us behave as if we're not concerned. Yes, because if he dies, we're in for that.
I beg you, Biko, don't even say that again. Nothing will happen. Nothing at all. Okaka is like Okuko Igbo that has no value. After all, men like Ojukwu who breaks a country like Nigeria, Yoyalian and Sheikh Yenya, they survived the war. Over 3 million people died in that war, and yet nothing happened. And when you say Okaka is saying nobody, nothing will happen. And when you say men, again. Obiora, I don't understand why you are panicking. Be a tiger and not a bull.
Nkiru, the fact that your father is a retired soldier and you spent all your life in the barracks does not mean that you should not have human sympathy. It does not mean you shouldn't value human life. Nkiru, what kind of a human being are you? You just came here to tell me that somebody is losing blood and is about to die and you're happy. You're going to throw a party that Okaka is going to die. Did I tell you that I set out to kill Okaka? Did I tell you that was the plan? Listen to me, I'm not the kind of man you push around. You cannot push me around. Are you listening to what I'm saying? I didn't want to kill him. I saw his house quite alright. I didn't stab him there. I stabbed him elsewhere. Why? Because I wanted to warn him to stay away from my pit. That is the plan. That is the plan. Not to kill him. So if I'm panicking, let me panic. because I still have a heart. What kind of a human being are you? Eddie, what is going on now? What's happening in town?
All is well. Ndubuisi is at the park and everyone is paying for the ticket.
No, we'll have to get to the park now. Yeah, we'll have to get to. Let us see what is going on there.
Don't go and see him in the hospital. Don't go and see him at all. If you go to that hospital to see Okaka, I will so deal with you. You should have stabbed him in the heart. You should have stabbed him. What is it, Ifeoma?
What is your problem? Life does not end with fights. There are fights with brains. Stop coming here to tell my brother to fight. Like he said, since you love fight so much, why didn't you join the army or even the navy? Since you're now a barrack girl.
Ifeoma, there is division of labor. That is not my calling.
So your calling is to push men to go and fight, is that it?
Oh yes. My calling is to inspire men. My calling is to make men do the right things, what they are supposed to do. Listen, I love men who are real men. Men who can stand firm no matter the dangers ahead. That is the kind of men I love.
And that is not my brother. Count him out of this your nonsense. Do not come here to instigate danger. Don't do that. Listen, my brother is too intelligent to yield to your desire. I know you are his girlfriend, yes, and whatever you people are having might lead to marriage. That's the more reason you will advise him to change business and not to fight.
Oh, Ifeoma, what are you not understanding? Huh? If you continue like this, no man will love you. Men love women who inspire them. Men love women who ginger them. Take a look at Obi Kubana. Huh? Take a look at White Money. They have women who inspire them. That is why they are who they are today. Listen, you should be learning from me. In fact, you should be thanking me for being a good teacher.
Teacher, my fault. What rubbish inspiration are you talking about? Listen, take that your rubbish inspiration somewhere else. Take it to your siblings, I don't care. But please, do not come here and advise my brother to fight. Have I made myself clear? Nonsense. Every time, fight. You cannot fight.
About ticket, I'm on some of them on the game ticket to the coffee. I'm telling you.
Good everyone.
Kaima, what are you doing out here all by yourself? Is Mama even aware that you left the house? Hi.
I'm hungry. Mama did not give me food. I'm looking for a snake to eat.
You're looking for... You're looking for what?
Who is this girl?
She's my friend. You know, medical student, I'm doing very well, but suddenly, you know, she has some little mental situation. And I think she's hungry. And I know that her grandmother must have gone out to go and look for what she will eat. Kaima! Please help me go to the junction.
Okay.
Let me buy beans and yam.
Okay.
You go.
I want to drink palm wine too. Palm wine.
Palm wine.
Palm wine. White like up there.
You know these people, they talk in parables. Biko. Buy mineral. Biko.
So where do I meet you people?
We'll be here.
Okay. Because okay, let me rush.
I'm not able to solve the equation. I don't know where the anatomy
I will help you.
and the
I will help you.
to dissect the human heart.
I will help you, don't worry.
Then you.
I will help you.
Chikaima. Chikaima. Yeah. Chikaima. 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 Ewo, Edith.
What happened? Where's my sister?
I just went to the backyard to my farm to get some palm fruits to make soup. Only to come back and couldn't find her. This is too much on me. Is this what an old woman like me will be doing all the time? No. This is not right. I told her to wait for me here. I'm coming.
Mama, calm down. Mama, calm down.
Whoa. This is too much.
Mama, calm down. Please, just relax. Let me go and see if I'll find her. See, if you want to cook something, just go ahead.
No, please. Your school is more important.
Mama,
no, go back to school.
Don't worry. Let me go and let me see if I'll find her. Just relax.
Hi. Chikaima, Oginizi. Ogini ndekwana nke a biko nunu. Chikaima, Oginizi. Hey.
My sister, you were with her in London.
Yeah, London. I remember.
Yes. I like her too much. Sister, I like her.
Where have you been? Grandma has been looking for you.
Obai, since her sister is here, let us go, please. We don't know the fate of this Okaka group.
Calm down now.
Let us go, up and down.
Calm down now. Just take a look at her. I'm really worried about her condition. I am convinced that this girl, if this girl was in her right senses, this person in her would contribute greatly to the society. I'm telling you. It just breaks my heart that she's in this condition. And I've just been thinking, what can I do? What can we do?
Absolutely nothing. And where you're born again, man, in Agwandala. In Agwandala, to cure this girl now will take a lot. And you don't have anything. When you not get anything, and when they forget say the way all these things the package, and when you top on, nothing come out. When if you dive yourself into this girl's issue, when it will cost you much, and you know you don't have anything. You are in the village, and you know our work does not pay well in this village. Oga, allow them to go one day.
Calm down. You know what? Go and wait for me at the pit. I'm coming.
So all these things in Neku generate on us.
Do you know ectomy of the anatomy?
I understand. Don't worry. I'll meet you. I'll go to the park. I'll meet you. Just give her the... Please take it.
Please take this thing before I throw it out. Take it.
I didn't want you now. Calm down.
No, I don't mass now.
When you dissect it...
What did you say?
The ectomy of the anatomy. Then dissect it to get the umbilical cord.
I understand.
This cord.
Okay. Ectomy.
Okay. Tell her not to beat me with the cane, no. Tell her not to beat me with the cane. I'll fly away. I'll fly away.
She will not flog you. She will not flog you now. She will not flog you. But you two stop leaving the house. You're making Mama angry. Mama, please, I'm begging you. Please, Biko. Please, don't flog her with this cane. I'm begging you, Mama, Biko. Please, I'm begging you.
Where is she going again? Where is she?
Mama, Biko, no, Mama, I'm still here.
Don't flog me!
Mama,
I'll fly away!
Mama, I'm still here.
I'll fly away!
Mama, I'm still here. I'm still here, Biko. You know that all these things will not be happening if she was in her right senses. She's not in her right senses.
So I will die because she's not in her right senses. Hey, Obiora. Obiora, look at me. As old as I am, I don't sleep in the night. I don't walk. This is my work. This is my work. If not for the help of my brother and Edith, I don't know how we could have survived this life. I don't know what could have been our fate. I don't know. They should have allowed her mother or father to live. This is too much.
Mama, it's okay. Sister Kaima will be well again.
When? No! No, when?
No!
If that... Where are you going?
Hold her now.
I'll fly away!
Hold her now.
I'll fly away!
Where is it? Hold her. You cannot hold your sister. Mama Biko. Mama Biko. Mama.
If after all I have gone through, Kaima is still like this, when is she going to be there?
Mama, she'll be very soon.
Obiora, you know the truth. This girl has been my strength since I lost her mother. She's so good-hearted. Very nice girl that loves me so much. The clothes I'm wearing today, she bought them for me. She has been taking good care of me, showing me love. Now look at the condition they have placed her. Look at her. When is it going to be well? I keep asking.
Mama, it will be well. Very soon, please. Don't cry. Biko.
Obiora, Mom. Obiora, you will not understand my best. You will not understand my best. This is too much on me. I'm suffering at my age. Nobody's taking care of me.
Hey. Mama, sorry. Sorry. Biko, stop crying. Biko. Hey, Mama, Biko.
Obiora, I don't know if God is failing me.
God is not failing you. God can never fail you. God never fails. He has never failed before. It is not written anywhere, unknown to mankind in any shape or form, that God ever failed. Don't say things like this. I know that you're hurt, but let the pains in your heart not make you blaspheme. Biko.
Okay.
Mommy, Biko. I was walking with my co-worker Dina, and I just saw her, just roaming around. But the good thing is that she recognized me. Same now going again, that she's hungry. See how, okay, just wait. So I gave them money to buy her food. We came back with the food, Mama. I'm begging that you don't flog her. At least let her eat something. This situation really is getting out of hand. But I promise to look deeper. I got Junior say, we'll ask questions. So we can find a complete solution to this. Biko, Mama, Biko. Biko, don't flog her, Biko. Hello, Eddie? What? Hey, wait for me. I'm coming there now. Hey, Chelum di Adam Abia. Wait for me. I'm coming. Mama, Biko, I have to go. I pack, I buy that. Something I have to go. But I'll come back, I'll come back.
Nah, take it easy, yo.
So that's just it. Anytime I go home, I will just take my daughter.
Ogene. And you sounded like it was urgent.
I wonder.
What is the problem?
Sit down.
What is the problem, Ogene?
Obayad.
What is the problem?
Obay.
Huh?
Okaka went and called police for you.
Okaka.
Seems like Okaka and the family have reported the case.
Ezoku.
Ikaburo.
Okaka or police?
Another problem.
Seriously.
Okaka
Just imagine.
or police? Hi. Hi, Chidekenna. Okaka or police? Look at me sitting down here waiting. Hey. You man for Okaka. Ona machale. I was sitting down here thinking that idiot will go and reinforce and come back. You gotta go. You gotta Kaime Naka.
I swear.
You went to go and involve the police. It's okay. It's about though. No problem.
This is just a case of two fighting. What
What is the time?
Highest I police make the
What's the time?
What's the time then?
This is to think.
No problem. When we close for the day, we'll go and see them at the police station.
Okay. But
It's okay.
Police are not a man.
But I thought he has men that are always ready to fight. So why is he using police on you guys?
Iruka, he's not using policemen on us. Rather, the policemen are looking for Obiora. Probably because he used bottle on Okaka. Fine. We fought. But that's not a big deal. Don't worry yourself about that.
Me, I'm not worried though. Just that I don't want anybody to lock my brother because of one useless Okaka that has no shame. He doesn't even have power now. He's just to make mouth in this village. I wonder why some women are even following men like Okaka that has no strength to fight.
Iruka, don't say that too. Don't say that too. Okaka is a strong man. And I'm sure he will come back stronger.
Oga, we are waiting for the return match. One Ujana toke. Inemen kuja.
Ujana tumo style.
Now what for you? Now what for
Manama
you?
ni fenni.
Ayad.
Please, let me go and check the food on the fire.
Oh, please hurry up now. After our mom can.
When I need
Like
baby.
I brought that.
Please hurry because
I'm nano de.
she have about Morocco. I want them.
They told me what happened next.
Yes. I did your best. Yes. I did your best. Please come. Where's your brother?
My brother, he's not at home. He should be at the park.
He's not at the park. He ran away. I will kill him. Look at my head. Did you see this wound? Your brother used weapon on my head. I will kill him. I will end his life. So where is he?
Like I just said, he's not at home. He should be at the park. I don't know.
He's supposed to be at the park. Okaka! Okaka, you dey make me vex. I dey vex. We can ask questions. I mean, we go out. Then we go inside there, go to break things, go scatter things, so that when they come back, you go see say masquerade don't hit here. You tell you the make noise.
We'll put to first. No go that side.
I dey vex.
It seems you are disillusioned by this statement of police is your friend. Police is not your friend, though. You keep police out there. We are not going in there. For all I know, could be indicted for theft or thuggery. You understand? We are not going in there. Notwithstanding, in our near, we are not going in there. Say that this town too small. Go track him. Now small thing. We go track him. Omamba one song. We go track him. Ebe come.
Please. You guys and Obiora are brothers. And that park was given to him by the local government chairman. So why do you want to take what belonged to your brother?
Come on, shut up there. Eh? Who are brothers? Fish they talk, crayfish they talk.
No.
Who is his brother?
No be the target. Be this.
Brother and co.
No.
Eyes. I watch shaving today. The crazy abi. Shame me I don't follow knock it.
Calm down, guys. Calm down.
See, tell that your big for nothing, brother. If you think back in here, you fight back, Wally. Carrying beers up and down, name me fine boy. Yeah, I for come you, I for Mukwezie. Tell him, eh? If he may baby, see, and I'll serve him to you. I'm telling you.
Not go good here.
Same brother. I'll watch you again today.
Let me tell you. If your brother doesn't run away from this town, I don't want to see him in the entire town. I don't want to see him in the entire local government. I don't want to see him in the entire state. I will finish him. We know how far.
Yes, sir.
We did this town.
Yes, sir.
Before your money finished, he came back. We know everything. Even those when they don't go, they collect job, they give up. We know all of them. Huh? But we will come for them later. We don't want to talk anything. Huh? Guys. Better go back. The guy feed the there.
Take that one.
Go back. The guy feed the there. This one na for his stomach. Huh? All the intestines.
Obiora!
Just flush out. What I say?
Obiora!
You know Daddy Abi?
I don't see him.
Don't worry. Come on, we'll go. Akuma, you know Daddy Abi?
You don't
Don't run. Don't worry. Don't run. You don't leave the village. But we'll go get him. If we don't get him, we go look for Edi. If you don't get Edi, we go look for the other Akamu. What do you mean?
Odubisi.
That Akamu Odubisi.
Akamu.
Oh, let's go. Where would they go?
Send this message.
Yes.
Send her hot.
I'll send them out.
May we come out? May we come out?
Chineke! Hey! Oh!
Like I'm so pissed. So Obiora ran away from these fools? He is not a man. Upon everything I told him, upon all the advices I give to your brother, he had the guts to run away from these stouts that just walked out of here.
You just shut up! Shut up, Nkiru! You could not utter a word while they were here. Now they have left, you have started ranting. Ha! Thank God. Thank God my brother is brilliant enough not to listen to your stupid advice, else he would have been in his grave by now.
The one where they bust my head. The one where they do me like side they craze be say. He talk say Obiora ran away from the pit. Did you hear them say it? Hey! Oh God, I beg, my head is scatter. How could he? How could he? Who is Okaka? Eh? Is it not just these three people that I saw here? Some people that you would have joined together, break them like broom. Where is he running? What for? Where is he running to? Eh? What kind of nonsense is this?
Do you know you are a fool? Do you know that you don't have sense? Like you lack sense? Listen, you are my friend. So let's respect our friendship. Because my brother that I know can never run away from these people. He cannot. My brother is a brave person.
You better be. Oh. You better be. Far from that. Ifeoma, are you aware that Obiora is seeing one mad girl at Ezubaha village?
I don't understand.
What do you mean you don't understand? Huh? There is this mad girl. I've seen her around this village 1 or 2 times. And from what I learned, she lives with her grandmother. And I also got an information from a very reliable source that your brother goes to see that mad girl, buy stuffs for her. And who knows?
Who knows what, Nkiru? Who knows what? Nkiru, did not use your mouth to remove sugar from your tongue. Eh? I don't need to remind you that my brother has not yet proposed to you. Even though he has told you that he will marry you, he hasn't said anything to me. That means to me he's 100% single. You know what that means? So mind what you say.
Do you know you just insulted me?
Eh?
Do you know you just insulted me? You're even barking at me like a dog. So all this your eye opening and shouting is because I'm telling you what your brother is doing. Eh? Ifeoma, what kind of a friend are you?
You were the one that insulted me first. Don't you know that it's an insult for you to open this your mouth to tell me that my brother is dating a mad girl? Eh? Do you know the gravity of that statement? Are you normal? Well, if you're talking about Kaima, yes, my brother told me about her. It's a girl that got mentally sick while she was in school. And my brother has been helping that girl. So who else are you talking about? Is it Kaima or another person?
I don't care to know what her name is. She is not related to your brother in any way. She is not his blood, and I do not want any form of relationship with that mad girl. If your brother comes back, relay my message to him. Rubbish. Ooh.
Sister, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I am cooking!
In front of the house?
I used to cook. I used to cook in the moon. When I cook with big stove, big gas, big firewood.
Sister, stop this thing now, eh? Have you seen where people make fire in front of the house? Eh?
I'm cooking yam and beans. Beans and yam. Yam and beans. I'll eat. You eat.
Sister.
Nne.
Eh?
What is it?
Mama, good afternoon.
Nne. Have you people dismissed?
Yes, Mama.
Oh, and they allowed you to come out?
Yes, Mama. I spoke to my house mistress, so she allowed me.
Yeah.
Eh? Since Sister Kaima have not taken her bath, and I bought some pad for her.
Hey, how can a little girl like you be so concerned about your sister? And your senior brother don't even care at all. Hey, your mother came here the other day, but she didn't do much. And I asked her, does it mean Kaima's father didn't leave anything? She said no. Mama Sobwadera, no problem. I am looking up to God. I'm looking up to Him.
Well, Mama, I don't know anything about all that. All I know is that she pays my school fees and she gives me pocket money. Eh? But she should be trying for Kaima too now. Eh? I'll try and talk to her. I'll try. But I want Sister Kaima to go take her bath. I don't like the way she is now. Eh? Sister.
Please, go and put water for her. Let me bring her to the bathroom.
Oh! Ah! Why don't we go to his house this night and capture him alive? Eh? Look, just look at it. See, this one na Agbero work, oh. Now push her out and enter and I be the work. So now we do this work where?
See, I don't know how they reason sometimes. So I don't know how you they take think. Your brain the format. You were there when I was against this idea of going to the house. Eh? This issue na for road and park here, though. You talk of go person house. Eh? Don't you know who could be indicted for theft, burglary, or even kidnap? Eh? I got video claims they will steal from your house in a Coco house. Eh? This matter ain't for road and park, guy. Leave that house level.
Don't worry, I'm happy. I'm so much happy that he has buried himself from the police station. He spent money too there, I know. I'm happy again that the hospital bill, he has paid it. But that's notwithstanding, I will not leave him. I will catch him. I will destroy his legs. He must leave that pit. You see that park? He must leave that park. Listen to me. I must kill Obiora. I must kill Obiora. The way I take him, no be matter. But what I know is that Obiora will die.
That guy must die.
How else will he die when all my suggestions are being ignored? How else? Imagine, see, when they make our spirit be like say he don't die for this struggle where we did so.
With that level.
The only thing when Okaka talk when he sweet me, now that leg where you say you go condemn. You go use a pusher out.
Me believe you die.
Calm down, he's still hiding.
I believe you die.
For now, he's hiding. If you go to pit, you know go see him. You will only see Eddie and then the PC. And then they're hiding to remit the money from the park to him. But we must have to trace him. We will trace him. You see that park, you must leave that park. We will do everything possible. Sure, that's our mission. We will collect that park from him. We're not done with them all. You see this way you do Obiara, you see this Obiara doing me for head. You go collect. Maybe the next time you see him, I don't cripple him. I don't cripple him.
Oh, which year?
Good evening,
welcome.
Ma. Thank you, Ma.
How are you doing?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
My son.
I'm here to see Nkiru. Is she home?
Oh, Nkiru. Didn't you see her?
No.
Well, she told me that she was coming to your place.
Is that so? I must have missed her then. I did not see her. Okay, in that case, I'll just go. And hopefully I just, I catch up with her or something.
It's okay. But please, if you see her, tell her that I said she should come back early. Because she has a lot of things to do for me in the house here.
All right, Mama. I'll let her know.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay, Mama. And bye-bye.
Where are you coming from? Huh? Where are you coming from?
I don't understand. What's going on?
What don't you understand?
Is this your good afternoon?
Good afternoon. Just don't tell me that one. I'm not happy with you, Biko. Why would I greet you? Why would I greet you when I know where you are coming from? You think I'm happy with you? I am not. When I do them happy. Cha 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 cha. Some greeting.
What are you talking about? I'm coming from your house now. I just left your house. I'm coming from your house. I went to your house. Your mother told me that you're not at home, that you actually, went to my house. And this is me running to my house to catch up with you.
Hey. Obiora.
Huh?
Okay, this. Obiora, why? Why? Why have you decided to start lying to me of late?
What are you talking about? How am I lying to you?
Why are you pretending? Your pretense is driving me crazy. What is wrong with you? Okay, fine. It seems your senses have wiped. You don't remember anything again. Let me remind you. I know you went to see that mad girl. Yes, you are just coming from her house. The news have been coming to me lately of how you visit her every morning before going to the pit. And at close of work. In Ibozinane, in Eje, Nekwandala. What are you doing in a mad woman's house? What is happening? I'm confused. What exactly is going on?
No, you shouldn't be confused. You started gathering gossip. It's okay. I have told you the truth. You don't believe me. Go and find out the truth yourself. Yeah, go and dig up the truth yourself. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Kill myself for you? I have just told you I'm coming from your house. And you don't want to believe me. What is your problem?
You are a liar. You are not stepping an inch until you tell me the truth. I need to know.
Hi. Madam, I have just told you I am coming from your house, where your mother told me that you are at my house, and I'm just running up to... Why are you stressing me? Why?
Huh?
Why are you stressing me?
So I'm not stressing you.
You are stressing me.
Obiora, I'm not stressing you.
You want to kill me?
I know! I'm not stressing you because you have now fallen in love with a mad woman. That is it. You are falling in love with a mad woman, so I'm now a stress. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Are you in love with that mad girl, Obiora? Tell me, are you in love with her?
Point of correction, the girl is not mad. She's a young girl with a bright future, great potentials. A science student, you know, a medical student, from what I gathered, you know, had some mental issues, a little mental situation while studying very hard. You know, and people are running around, you know, trying to help.
And you are?
What?
And you are her father, relation, husband, boyfriend. How are you related to her? What business do you have with her that you should be concerned about her?
I am concerned because I'm a concerned citizen. What is your problem? I'm helping the girl.
I see.
The girl has no father. The girl has no mother. You know? So, you know, well-meaning people are rallying around to help her, and I have decided to show support in my own little way. How is that a problem, Nkiruka?
Obiora.
Ogene.
The father to the fatherless, mother to the motherless, the parents to orphans. Listen to yourself. Can you hear yourself defend someone you know nothing about? Huh? You are doing all these things because of hearsays. If I say, okay? Obiora. You should know me by now. Nkiru. Nwamu na barak, oto na barak. My eyes are wide open. I can see the future and I know your plans already. Yes! Your plans are to take her to where she will be healed. And then, she will start dating her. Okay? Just confirm why, because I'm a young cookie. Just say yes.
The girl needs help. And I am going to give her all the help that she needs.
Ha! Obiora! Obiora, if you do it, God will punish you. Now, see, it chooses the honor that you chose a mad person over me. God will punish you and that mad girl.
What have I done to you? Why are you destroying my things? This is the powder I bought 4 days ago, and you have. Just look at you.
The ectomy of the anatomy.
Shut up!
Is the discord.
Look at your face. Masquerade. Chika, you must stop doing this to me. Be quiet. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Mama?
Eh? What have I done to you?
Mama?
Eh? Why are you destroying my things? Eh?
The ectomy of the anatomy.
Aye.
The disco.
Aye. Continue to provide for you and bless you.
I'll follow you to your house. Then I'll marry you. And then we'll go to Jerusalem and get married and do wedding. And then we'll drink oh, Galilee water. Water! My friend! My goat! My goat! My goat! My goat!
Wait now, wait. You want us to marry? You want to marry? Okay, so let me go and bring all the things we need for our marriage.
and then I'll bring your place.
My good.
Yes.
My friend! My friend! My friend!